Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be explaining to you guys like how I started my clothing line, Go Getter Clothing. I'll explain like how, why, all that good stuff. But before I go ahead and get started, I do want to remind you guys of a few things. Make sure you guys please like, share, subscribe, click the bell to get those notifications, click all so that whenever I post a new video, you guys get that content immediately. And also I want to remind you guys that this hair is available. It's sponsored by Kayla Petrie Hair Co. So if you're interested, I will leave her description and her website, her information to her Instagram, all that good stuff if you want to go ahead and follow her and order some hair. So let me explain to you guys how I started my clothing line and why. I wanted to answer a question that one of my Instagram followers asked me, like how did I start it? Was it hard? Like how long did it take me? So I wanted to just do like a quick video to describe my background story so that maybe this story can inspire someone and you can actually start your own clothing line. Like it's literally that simple. So let me get started. So introduction. So my clothing line is called Go Getter Clothing, and the reason why I came up with that name is because I had changed my name on Instagram to Miss Go Getter, and I decided like, okay, I'm doing a lot in the community, the music community. Like I need to be able to brand myself so that whenever, you know, someone hears my name, I'm associated with some type of something. So that's how I came out with my clothing line. And I started it really because shout out to Diverse walked up to me at a Gager event at the Twitter office, and he was like, I know you. Like, you know me. Where you know me from? He like, you Miss Go Getter. So I'm already knowing he knows me from Instagram, but I just want to see what his response was gonna be. He said, I know you from Instagram. My name Diverse. I was like, okay, I don't know him, but what's up? You feel me? So boom. All right. So later on that night, we walk up to Chopper, me and Mari Coop. Shout out to Chopper. Chopper was like, yeah, you know, I want to go ahead and perform at the picnic. And I'm like, okay, so follow me on Instagram. He was like, I already follow you on Instagram. He was like, I don't remember your name, but I definitely follow you on there. Like, and he started telling me some of the content that I was posting, and I was like, okay, definitely follow me on there. So right then and there, that's when I decided, like, okay, people know who I am. I'm in this, like, the public view. Why not brand myself and come out with Go Getter Clothing? Like, people are already associating me with my Instagram name. Why not? So that's really the background story on how my clothing line came about. And that's really like the why and the how, and then more into the how. So my whole thinking behind it was goal. You know, there's a target that you're trying to reach, a goal, whatever. So I immediately thought, let me incorporate the emoji, the target sign. Okay, so I talked to my graphic designer. Boom, he comes up with this design. He creates the guy, the girl design, and I'm like, okay, boom, I love it. Everybody else seemed to love it, gravitated towards it, like immediately. As soon as I dropped my shirts, like people were buying them, and I was just kind of amazed, like, wow, like I have something that people want. Like people are buying into my product, like they believe in it. And so like I started my clothing line. When I started my clothing line literally just last year, last July. Like, and within a year, like I've had some ups and downs, but for the most part, like a lot of people actually, they believe in my message. Like if you don't have goals, like what are you doing in life? Seriously, you know? So like it's one of those messages that like it's universal. Everybody can relate to it, whether it's a child, whether it's a guy or a girl, whether it's somebody in the LGBT community. Like I literally made sure that I included everyone when it came to my clothing brand, because I didn't want to exclude anyone, and I definitely didn't want to exclude no possible money coming to my Cash App, PayPal, bank account, however they want to send that money. You feel me?
You feel me?
That's that real goal-getter stuff. Like, you can't talk about it, you really got to be about it as well. So I'm just really giving y'all like the real understanding as to like how my clothing line started and why I started it. Okay, and then like who I wanted to target. Like, I literally just told you guys who I wanted to target. I wanted to target everyone I just told you guys about, and then at the same time, like, I wanted to target like that millennial age group of individuals that don't want to just, you know, keep going to work like 9 to 5 every day. Like, you have goals in life. Like, okay, my goal was to start my clothing line and my digital marketing business, and that's exactly what I did. And like, in the midst of me doing that and growing, like, people seeing what I was doing and people actually believe in me, and that's why they support my brand, my movement, and everything that I'm doing with it. And how to purchase. If you would like to purchase a shirt, I will leave my website in the description below. I'll leave my Instagram, I'll leave my Facebook. You can DM me, contact me on any of those sites, and you'll be able to purchase a shirt through me. So I wanted to show you guys this shirt that I did. It's like a neon green with the orange design on it, and this is my female design. A shirt like this is $25. So if you would like to purchase one, make sure you guys go ahead and go to my website. I'll have it in the description. And I will also be available on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave my email as well in the description so that you can go ahead and email me too. And if you have any more questions about like how to start a clothing line, like, it's very simple. It's literally just coming up with the name, a graphic, printing it out, or going to go pay for someone to do it. I actually printed out all my own stuff, like, except for like my first initial shirts, but for the most part, everything else I printed out on my own. This right here is screen printing. As you guys know, I'll leave my description from my previous video I did where I was showing you guys how I actually did like make my own crop top halters. I made a lot of different clothes like in my own garage, so I'll leave that description too if you guys want to get crafty at home, if you happen to have like a screen with a design on it. And like, and another reason why I came up with my clothing line is because I was like that individual that was supporting everybody around me, buying their clothing, their hats, their everything, going to get my hair done, and I'm just like, okay, I'm supporting everybody else. Like, what about what I like? What about what I want to provide and give to the world? Like, there's a message behind my clothing brand. And that's how everything just like manifested, and just now it's here. And another thing, like, I have some video, like some pictures of me and Sada Baby, London Breed, the mayor from San Francisco, Cat Williams, and like some other people that like really support me in the community. Like, I'll go ahead and drop their pictures at the end of this video so you guys could see, like, I have proof. Like, it's that easy to just walk up on somebody, hey, you know, my clothing line got a shirt for you, you want to take a picture? To take a picture, boom. It's like that simple. Like, you just got to be talkative, outgoing, and know how to like get your way with these people. That's about that like media and influencers. Like, yeah, that's a whole nother different video, but I don't want to drag this video on too long. I hope you guys did gain some information from this video. It's simple. If you guys need help or like need access to different graphic designers or just anything, let me know. There's a lot of different resources I have available for you guys to get connected with. And once again, if you guys are interested in buying something, click the description, click the boxes with the information below, and yes, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.